Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. This is an introduction session which will help us sending data from Kinesis Firehouse to Elasticsearch. Basically, in this session, I'm going to explain what is the requirement and what is the type of data that is coming in. After that, what are the steps we are going to perform? All these things I'm going to explain one by one. The first thing which we need to keep in mind is this is this particular session is for a streaming data kind of thing, and whatever the steps which I'm going to discuss, we are going to do all those steps practically in the further sessions. First, after this session, you should be able to know how Kinesis Firehouse captures streaming data and transform the data and then send it back to Elasticsearch service. If you want to visualize it, this is the diagram. Basically, we'll have a lot of input coming in. It can be from mobile data, or it can be from applications like web applications or e-commerce applications, whatever it may be, or trading, stock market kind of information, whatever the information it may be. Basically, we are going to capture the input and send that data to Amazon Kinesis Data Firehouse. Once the data comes to Amazon Data Kinesis Firehouse, we can prepare and load the data continuously into the destination, whatever you want. And then the destination can be Amazon S3 or Amazon Redshift or Amazon Elasticsearch, or it can be Splunk. If the data comes into Amazon Elasticsearch, we can visualize it using Kibana. These are the different steps which we are going to perform. Let me explain in detail what we are going to do and how we are going to do in the further session. The first thing is we are going to generate streaming data which contains stock quote information. If you see trading, right, like if you see trading stocks will be there, and the price information will be there, and timestamp will be there. All these kind of information will be there, and applications will be generating this streaming data, and they will generate the streaming data for us. And once we get the streaming data, they'll send the streaming data to Kinesis Firehouse delivery stream. You can see here, they'll send it to Kinesis Data Firehouse. Either they can directly send it to Firehouse, or they can send it to Kinesis Data Stream as well. Kinesis Data Stream collects streaming data with a data stream. Kinesis Data Firehouse, it will process and deliver streaming data with data delivery stream. These two things we are going to see in detail in the coming sessions, but I'm just explaining the approach which we are going to do. Once we send the data to Kinesis Firehouse delivery stream, Kinesis Firehouse will then call the Lambda function to transform the data. Basically, if you want to transform your data, if you want to drop some fields in the input and add an extra fields in the input, you are transforming the data. For transforming the data, you are going to use Lambda function. Kinesis Firehouse will then call the Lambda function to transform your data, and Kinesis Firehouse will then collect the data into batches and send the batches to Elasticsearch service cluster. And then we will use Kibana to visualize the streaming data stored in the Elasticsearch cluster. These are the steps which we are going to perform to do this task end to end. I'm going to create a separate video on each and every step, but this is just an introduction session where I'm discussing all the items which we need to do to achieve this task. For sending the streaming data, I'll create one video, and for sending the data to Firehouse and calling the Lambda function, we'll create one video. And once the data is being sent to Elasticsearch, we will use Kibana to visualize the data. For that also, I'll make a video. And basically, Amazon Kinesis Firehouse is easiest way to reliably load streaming data into data stores and analytics tools. It can capture the data, it can transform the data, and it can load the streaming data into Amazon S3 or Redshift or Elasticsearch and Splunk, as I showed in the diagram. And it is fully managed service, so that it will automatically scale to match the throughput of your data and requires no ongoing administration. We don't want to involve in middle. Even though your data volume is high, it will scale it automatically. It can also batch, it can compress the data, it can transform, and it will encrypt the data before loading it as well, so that it will minimize the amount of storage used at destination and increasing security. This is what we are going to do end to end, and this is what finally we are going to achieve. We will get the data from the applications, and that data will send it to Kinesis Firehouse. Kinesis Firehouse will call the Lambda function, and the output data will be sent to S3 or Redshift or Amazon Elasticsearch service. Once the data comes to Elasticsearch service, we can use Kibana for further visualization. And with Firehouse, we do not need to write any applications or manage any resource. We just configure our data producers to send data to Firehouse, and it will automatically delivers the data to specified destination. Thanks everyone for watching this video. For this continuous videos for all the steps which I mentioned, you can watch the other videos.